How to fix you submitted an appeal problem on your Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this problem where it says you have submitted an appeal, but you have not done anything like that. So let us get started. First thing you'll want to do is make sure that you remove your Instagram from your background. So just do that first. And after you've done that, open up your Insta again. If that does not fix your problem, what you want to do is go to your settings and log out from your account. Now, after you do that, it should fix the problem for most of the times. If it does not, you can contact Instagram support. Now you can contact Instagram support from this settings itself. Go to help and you can report your problem from here. So tap on report a problem and report your problem. After you've done that, your problem will get fixed. And that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, hit down below and subscribe.